Looking at our project plan, we see the next section is slideshow for the bell ringers page. So what we want to do is go to photo gallery and click on that, and what we'll be doing is adding a new gallery, and we'll give it a name, and then we need to come down and add images. We'll select to upload files, and we will go into a folder. This is a folder that I've made with the images in, so I just highlight all of those and drag them into the upload files section, and it shows me that the 4 images have been uploaded. So now I select add selected images to gallery, clicking on that. Select all first, add selected images to gallery. Okay, then coming down I can see that the 4 images have been added. One thing I can see is that image 4 and 3 are the wrong way round, so I can just click here and move them into correct position. 1, 2, 3, 4, and as with everything, we go to the top and select save, and that's saved our gallery. It tells us that the item has successfully saved, and we can see here that now we have a gallery called bell ringers. So now we want to add this into the page, so we'll go to the page, which is bell ringers. Select that, and we should have the short code for the button here, which we want at the bottom, so we just add a couple of spaces above, and then we want this blue camera, which is insert photo gallery. Click that. Okay, and this is looks complex, but it's pretty simple. We'll choose a slideshow, and then we select the gallery, bell ringers. We'll sort the images in the order that they are. Slideshow effect we'll keep with fade. We can enable autoplay, we'll choose that so that they start playing straight away. Enable control buttons, yes, so the visitor can scroll through if they want to. No image title, no description, no music at this point, so we'll insert, and remember to scroll down and update, and then we can go to our live view, and we'll go to our church tour, church bells, the bell ringers, which is the page we just worked with, and now we can see there is a image gallery which slowly scrolls through, and the speed of the scrolling and the transitions we can modify if we want to. We can okay, so that's inserted that. Looking at our plan, we have another page with an image and text called History of the Bells. So if we go to the page and look for History of the Bells, and we should get the short code for the button up here. Drop it down a couple, and to add the image for this we just say add media, and in my folder I'll go to images, And actually I'll choose an image from the bell ringers images and just add that here to upload it. There it is, insert into page, and then I'll add the text which I've placed in my media section. So I've got some text, so I'll just all copy and then just Control V, paste that, and that tells us the history of the bells. And we'll update this and we will look at our live feed. So if we go to church bells and then history of the bells, which is the page that we just worked with, and now we can see we have the image and we have the text underneath. And if we wanted to, we could work with formatting the text, so we can change the font family, we can change the font sizes, we can make titles bold. We could also change how the image is, how the image actually fits in within the text itself. So we have some options like align right. It aligns the image to the right of the text. Align center. Okay, these are probably more relevant for large web pages, but for the smartphone view we really just want to keep everything in a vertical line, so this should be perfectly fine. So we'll just update, go to our live view, refresh that, and you can see the text, the font changes have taken place, and we can have a look at another browser with a smaller view. So this will simulate a smartphone view more accurately. We can go to church bells, we can go to the history of the bells, and we can see how it will look on a smartphone. So we have the image and the text, and then we can just click back to the church bells menu, and we could go to the bell ringers and see the slideshow that we inserted earlier. So okay, I think that's the end of this lesson inserting images.